Is your AutoCAD 2025 missing toolbars, the command bar, or the menu bar? Don't panic, I'll show you how to bring everything back in less than 2 minutes. Let's start with the main menu toolbar. If it's missing, simply go to the command bar and type Ribbon. If your command bar disappeared and you can't type anything, press Ctrl+9 on your keyboard. Need the Properties panel? Just hit Ctrl+1 and it will appear on the side of your screen. Want your commands to follow your cursor instead of typing on the command bar? Hit F12 to turn on dynamic input. If still the menu panels and commands are missing, you can reset everything easily. Type Options into the command bar. Go to the Profiles tab and click Reset. This restores your default workspace settings. Finally, to bring back the classic file, just click the drop-down at the very top left corner of AutoCAD and select Show Menu Bar. And that's it. Now your AutoCAD 2025 interface is back to normal. If this video helped, give it a like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have more questions.